Enrique YouTube channel here one more time. Good to see you, you know, guys. I'm here with Noah.
Hi, I'm here on the jungle.
Right, and what we doing?
And then we have fun.
Right. And
Yeah, but I had to climb here.
we cooking?
Yeah, but I had to climb.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna climb just now. Where's Mama? How you doing, Mama? How you doing? So Paula and Noah are here in this adventure. We've been cooking, and I made this a special, set
Hi guys.
fire theme
I'm
here going on.
Yeah, I'm
So
far from
you
the
basically avoid it, to get on fire, burning out, things on the forest or whatever you are. As you can see here, we got some type of different vegetation. So it's a lot of different. When I say different, it's like any nature place is unique, no matter if it's in your backyard, no matter if it's in the sea, the forest, whatever it is, or any part of the world. It's beautiful and unique, guys. Hope you enjoy the whole shot, the footage. And when you come to the nature environment, the forest, please take care. Don't start fire. Please don't throw garbage. Take care of the natural environment. This is the only team place house we have, guys, all right? And stay tuned for the next video coming ahead. Enrique Maurice, love you guys. And till the next time, guys. Till the next time, no. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao. I got wet.